Thank you for joining me today to learn how to make money online. In this video, I will show you how to make money online for each GIF you download for free. Later on, we will reveal the best parts where you can use any device and create passive income streams in half an hour or less. Then you can go do whatever you want with your free time. Enjoy time with your friends and family, and then come back to withdraw your profits. However, if you want to make money anywhere in the world, make sure to follow this tutorial. But before we begin, please give this video a big thumbs up if you like making money online so we can reach 100 likes as quickly as possible. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications with that bell button. Also, let me know in the comment section below what your favorite way to make money online is so I can make more of those types of videos. Okay, now since we'll be using GIFs to make money today and you'll get paid per GIF, we need to know what GIF is. And according to Google, it is a lossless image file format. Both dynamic and static photos are supported. And if you go to pictures and type in GIF in Google, you'll get a list of all of these distinct GIFs. Next, for the first step, let's head over to Giphy.com, which is spelled as GIPHY.com. This is a site where millions of people from all over the world contribute GIFs on a variety of topics. There are serious GIFs, amusing GIFs, nature, and much more. There are literally millions of GIFs to be found on Giphy.com. Will you have to upload and make these GIFs now? No. You will not be required to contribute anything because you will be compensated only for downloading those GIFs from Giphy.com. And I'll walk you through how to set it up correctly and make it work step by step. So if you go to Giphy.com, you can actually get paid for the first step. Step 2. Now you have two alternatives. You may go straight to Giphy and look for different GIFs such as followers count, likes count, subscribers count, Facebook likes count, views count, and so on. For instance, just to give you an idea, you may search for followers right here. So it is a fantastic one and you may use it as an example. Maybe this one. I'm not sure. However, this one is preferable because we are looking for a followers account to give. So you can either do it on Giphy.com or go straight to Google and search for followers GIF. Then go to images and explore it. And that way you'll be able to find a lot more GIFs. They'll offer you a followers and likes count. For instance, I'm going to utilize this one because it's fantastic. It shows followers and acts as though it's counting those followers. And it's also from Giphy.com. That's really a fantastic work. Anyway, once you've discovered it, I'll move on to the next step. Step 3. I'd want to download a perfect GIF to your device now that you've found it. If you're using the desktop version, all you have to do is right-click on it. If you're using a computer or laptop, simply right-click on the GIF and select Save Image As to save it to your hard drive. Step 4 is to go to an online platform called eClincher, which may be found at eClincher.com. This is the most popular social media management software and it's the tool that businesses, entrepreneurs, and normal people like you and me use to build our social media accounts on autopilot. eClincher will manage the social media accounts for them, as well as boost and expand their profiles. As you can see, it's almost certainly increase your social media ROI and expand your reach. This is useful because it connects with Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Google My Business, YouTube, TikTok, and so many more. Is there anything you'll have to pay for? No, this is a completely free service. Is it necessary for you to have certain social media profiles for this? There are none at all. You also do not require any social media following. As a result, this is ideal for those with no prior experience or specific skills. The Daily Herald, Forbes, ABC, Huffington Post, Fox News, and other major media outlets have all featured these guys. eClincher assists users in growing their social media accounts by doing all of the labor and managing all of their accounts. It helps them gain more followers, reach a wider audience, and receive a better return on their investment. And it just keeps adding value and features so they can improve their ability to execute their strategy for that individual business owner or entrepreneur. So for step number 4, all you have to do is to go to eClincher.com. Step 5. I hope you're keeping track of everything. Because for step number 5, you'll need to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the website and click on Partner/Affiliate right beneath the eClincher area. So, in order to start making money with those gifts, you'll need to join their affiliate program. And each of those gifts can earn you hundreds of dollars, if not thousands of dollars, when used in conjunction with our affiliate network. So stay tuned to see how this works in practice. But first, let's get some facts straight. In 2020, over 3.6 billion individuals, or basically half the world's population, use social media, with that number expected to rise to nearly 4.4 billion by 2025. As a result, eClincher will be required by a large number of people. And each of the 4.4 billion individuals you refer has the potential to pay you $100. Because you're not investing any money, and I'm actually going to show you a simple way to get paid for absolutely free. 10 individuals equals $1,000. 100 people equals $10,000 in pure profit for you. So for the 5th step, I'd like you to apply for the affiliate program by clicking the Apply Here button. Now, you'll be taken to this page where you'll need to fill in your email address in this box. The next step in the registration process is to put your first and last name in the website field, where you may simply paste the URL that will be used for traffic. For the time being, you can keep it blank. I'll show you the platform we'll be using for traffic. Then you may add that link as a website. You don't need your own website for this, and you can leave the company name blank if you want. Of course, if you don't have a business, don't worry. It'll still work for you. You'll only have to choose your country. And as you can see, they welcome people from all walks of life. As a result, all of these countries have been approved. We can look at all of these and find that they're all acceptable. As a result, it operates all over the world. By clicking on this link, you will be able to establish a password and answer some of your social media accounts. You will also be able to read their terms and conditions and privacy policy. And if you agree, simply click the box that says I agree. Fill out the CAPTCHA by clicking this button and then join up. That's all there is to it. You'll be able to get your special affiliate link now, and every time someone clicks on it, they'll be able to sign up for eClincher. And you'll get $100 each person. And all you need is 3 people to get $300. And I'm literally going to show you how you can persuade millions of people to use social media, which you already know is used by 3.6 billion people around the world. And now with the help of eClincher, they will be able to expand and profit from their social media accounts. Go to the next phase. After you've grabbed your affiliate link, all you have to do now is start driving traffic using the gifts we downloaded at no cost to you. So simply go to imgur.com for step number 6. According to the internet, Imgur receives over 343 million monthly visits with over 300 million visitors from all over the world. And you only need 3 people to make $300. 6 people will earn you $600 and so on. And we're talking about a couple hundred million people. So, for step 6, simply sign up by clicking the sign up button right here. It's completely free and it will only take you 60 seconds to get an entirely free lifetime account. Finally, all you have to do now is post the GIF you previously downloaded for free. So what we need to do now is click on a new post right here, which will lead you to this page, where you'll need to click on choose a photo/video, then double click on the GIF that you previously downloaded, which should look like this. As you can see, it is very interesting. Give your article a title now. So I'm going to create something that will really catch people's eyes, because you want them to click on your affiliate links because you can earn $100 per person, $300 for 3 people, $1,000 for 10 people, and so on. For example, you can type in grow your social media accounts automatically, or developing your social network profiles, or anything similar. Of course, you may personalize and change this as you see fit. Create a good call to action in the description and then place your special affiliate link in this section. I'll just say sign up here, but I recommend simply saying something that will catch their attention and entice them to click and sign up, followed by your affiliate link. Ensure that this is your affiliate link and that tags are included. This is also critical because you want only certain people to see your GIFs and affiliate link. You definitely need people who are interested in increasing their social media accounts and don't want those who are interested in things like weight loss and fitness to see your link. Type in Instagram or influencer or how to grow on Instagram or social media or something along those lines. And once you've completed adding those tags to attract targeted people, you've got the call to action here. You've got a nice looking GIF and you've got your affiliate link. All you have to do now is publish it to the community. And your post will be seen by 243 million people. Simply go to To Community and choose Publicly Post. And that's really all there is to it. That's all the work you've put out there. And now a lot of people from all over the world may view it by clicking on your link. And you'll get paid for each person that signs up for eClincher.com. You can do the same with all of these other GIFs. And whatever you think will capture people's attention and get them to click on your link is to go to Giphy.com and look for some fascinating GIFs. I hope you learned something today and liked our video tutorial. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any of our new contents. Thank you very much for watching until the end, and I hope to see you in one of our future videos.